Every year, thousands of breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and machine learning never leave the university lab. The science is flawless, but the engineering is so dense that it hits a brick wall the moment it tries to enter the commercial market. You usually have two separate camps. On one side, researchers build complex systems, but lack the intuition to package them for consumers. On the other side, executives know how to sell a product, but cannot parse the underlying code. But occasionally, you find someone who speaks both languages natively. A person who can dissect a peer-reviewed paper on signal processing in the morning and pitch a mass-market product integration by the afternoon. Dr. Thanawat Thiasiriphet spent over 15 years steeped in rigorous academic research before stepping into the C-suite as the Chief Marketing Officer at Botnoy Group. How does an engineer trained in telecommunications infrastructure build Thailand's #1 text-to-speech platform and force it onto the global stage? In the current AI boom, the highest leverage comes from translation, taking highly technical systems and architecting them into tools that anyone can use. Dr. Thanawat's disciplines started at the foundational level. He earned a first-class honor and a gold medal during his undergraduate engineering studies at Chiang Mai University in Thailand. He then moved to Germany, completing both a master's and a PhD in Spending a decade working as a research scientist trains the brain to look for structural inefficiencies. When you spend your days optimizing signal processing, you naturally start to view business challenges as architectural systems that need to be tuned. Scaling a tech platform requires a foundation of scientific discipline. Hard engineering creates a structural advantage that marketing alone simply cannot replicate. That infrastructure-level thinking carried over directly from his time as a 5G system architect into his executive pivot. When he became CEO of Botnoy Voice, he didn't treat it like a standalone application. Instead of launching an isolated text-to-speech chatbot, he architected an integrated AI ecosystem designed to plug seamlessly into existing workflows. This chart shows the immediate impact of that architectural approach. By building for integration, Botnoy Voice saw its monthly active users multiply by 6 times. As user acquisition scaled, revenue followed suit, increasing by 10 to 20 times over the same period. That massive scale required breaking out of the regional market. Botnoy Voice became the very first Thai-developed application engineered to connect with global tech giants. The platform proved its technical stability by successfully integrating directly into Canva, the AWS Marketplace, and N8N workflow automation. You cannot fake your way onto the AWS Marketplace. Only a deeply technical leader could build a product robust enough to pass the architectural requirements of those global platforms. The utility of a technical breakthrough is reflected in its adoption across a society's public infrastructure. Through the Botnoy for Education initiative, Dr. Thanawat provided free access to Thailand's leading text-to-speech platform to nearly 1,000 schools and institutions. This map tracks the reach of his most ambitious long-term project, Botnoy Academy. The program connects international students with real-world AI engineering experience, hosting over 1,000 interns. It draws talent from 78 institutions across 9 countries, resulting in more than 10 university partnerships. Through this mentorship pipeline, he is actively solving the translation problem that plagues the tech industry, breeding a new generation of engineers who understand both the math and the market. Dr. Thanawat's career proves that the future of artificial intelligence won't belong to isolated researchers or pure marketers. It belongs to the translators, leaders who architect the systems, build the bridges, and empower the rest of the world to cross them.